This is a 1946 Dodge pickup truck laying on its back. And see over here, I have a 1949 Chevrolet 4-door Deluxe. And it's not in extremely bad shape, but I don't know what it has for running gear, if any. But got the tail lights. I was missing a lens over there, but this one's intact. And then over here, this looks like a 1942 Ford pickup. Not quite sure it's a 42, but I think so. Missing the door. But, yeah, kind of crunched up. Some fenders on it. Headlight buckets. Yeah, well, there you have it. 1942 Ford, I believe, pickup. Thanks for watching.